Torque release technique is the first chiropractic technique to arise out of scientific research. The technique was developed in the 1990s and clinical trials in the early 2000s. It was designed to combine the best of what chiropractic evaluation had to offer into one technique. Torque release is an instrument adjusting technique that is very gentle and specific. The results are fantastic and it offers a very comfortable process, especially for those that do not like the typical manual adjusting that has twisting, cracking, or popping. Torque release technique has no twisting, cracking, or popping, but rather focuses on fine-tuning the spine and allowing the physician to work on specific areas at one time. This allows for a more focused process and a more specific evaluation to determine where and when a patient needs to be adjusted. The patient is laying face down for the duration of the treatment, and the physician uses functional leg length test to assist in determining where a problem may be in the spine. Once the area of dysfunction is located, the physician can deliver a specific, gentle, and effective adjustment that can help fix the problem in that area of the spine to allow for the most effective and longest lasting results. Torque release works with anyone from child to adult and is the most advanced chiropractic treatment to date. The beauty of torque release technique is its versatility. Whether it's a major trauma in your past like a fall or accident, or if it's just the daily routines and activities that build up on your body, resulting in acute or chronic pain, torque release can help. Whether it's headaches or migraines, neck pain or back pain, or if it's pain, numbness, tingling that travels from your neck into your arms or legs, torque release can help. The patient benefits from the versatility and effectiveness of the technique, and the benefits will be felt well after you leave the office. We are blessed enough to be one of the only offices in Northeast Ohio that offers this technique and cannot wait to help you get to the root cause of your issues and fix them so that you can get back to the best version of yourself. If you are curious about torque release or what it can do for you, please don't hesitate to call, email, or stop by the office, and we can discuss what's going on with you and your health and how we can help.